Hello, everyone. Welcome back to PL Space. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of space exploration with India's first dedicated polarimetry mission, XPoSaT. Join me as we uncover the secrets of bright astronomical X-ray sources and the cutting-edge scientific payloads on board. PSLV-C-58 has launched XPoSaT satellite into an eastward low-inclination orbit on January 1, 2024, 9:10 am HRs IST. After injection of XPoSaT, the PS4 stage will be restarted twice to reduce the orbit into 350 km circular orbit to maintain in 3-axis stabilized mode for orbital platform (OP) experiments. The PSLV Orbital Experimental Module 3 (POEM-3) experiment will be executed meeting the objective of 10 identified payloads supplied by ISRO and in space. XPoSaT X-ray polarimeter satellite is the first dedicated scientific satellite from ISRO to carry out research in space-based polarization measurements of X-ray emission from celestial sources. The satellite configuration is modified from the IMS-2 bus platform. The configuration of the mainframe systems are derived based on the heritage of IRS satellites. It carries two payloads, namely POLIX, Polar Emitter Instrument in X-rays, and XPECT, X-ray spectroscopy and timing. POLIX is realized by Raman Research Institute and XPECT is by Space Astronomy Group of ISRO. Let's talk about payloads. POLIX is an X-ray polarimeter for astronomical observations in the energy band of 8 to 30 keV. The payload is being developed by Raman Research Institute, RRI, Bangalore in collaboration with UR Rao Satellite Center, URISC. The instrument is made of a collimator, a scatterer, and 4 X-ray proportional counter detectors that surrounds the scatterer. The scatterer is made of low atomic mass material, which causes an isotropic Thomson scattering of incoming polarized X-rays. The collimator restricts the field of view to 3° x 3° so as to have only one bright source in the field of view for most observations. POLIX is expected to observe about 40 bright astronomical sources of different categories during the planned lifetime of XPoSaT mission of about 5 years. This is the first payload in the medium X-ray energy band dedicated for polarimetry measurements. XPECT is an X-ray spectroscopy and timing payload on board XPoSaT, which can provide fast timing and good spectroscopic resolution in soft X-rays. Taking advantage of the long-duration observations required by POLIX to measure X-ray polarization, XPECT can provide long-term monitoring of spectral state changes in continuum emission, changes in their line flux and profile, simultaneous long-term temporal monitoring of soft X-ray emission in the X-ray energy range 0 to 15 keV. An array of swept charge devices, SCDs, provide an effective area greater than 30 centimeters squared at 6 keV with energy resolution better than 200 electron volts at 6 keV. Passive collimators are used to reduce the background by narrowing the field of view of XPECT. XPECT would observe several types of sources, which X-ray pulsars, black hole binaries, low magnetic field neutron star, NS, NLMXBS, AGNs, and magnetars. The objectives of this mission are to measure polarization of X-rays in the energy band 8 to 30 keV emanating from about 50 potential cosmic sources through Thomson scattering by POLIX payload. To carry out long-term spectral and temporal studies of cosmic X-ray sources in the energy band 0 to 15 keV by XPECT payload. To carry out polarization and spectroscopic measurements of X-ray emissions from cosmic sources by POLIX and XPECT payloads respectively in the common energy band. As we conclude our journey into XPoSaT incredible mission, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to PL Space, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things space and science. Until next time, keep looking up to the stars. Thank you for joining me today, and as always, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our universe.